Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to use pushcut for meeting notifications. So just tap on my pushcut app and how to set time for my meeting notification on it. So I will just tap on this notification. From here I will just change the name. I will just type team meeting. I will just set the name of team meeting and make sure your this icon is enabled, and I will just tap to save and tap to done, and I will be just move in triggers, which is bottom, and from here I will just select the team meeting. So from here you can just select the time. I will just select it that 1:30 p.m. So if you want to add your location of your work time, so from here you will just add a location on it, and when arriving on your office and turn it on only triggers. So that's it. So from here you can just set the time notification. I will just set the time for daily. When the time is 12:30 p.m. on the morning, so it will be alert me that team meeting you had. That's it. Hope this video helped you. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and get notified for more videos.